Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go down here, click here on library down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You go down, just come here to Crossfade, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's main Crossfade enable with us now. And here can you select it. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.